Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to contact LG ThinQ customer support. So first of all, launch LG ThinQ app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then after that, tap on the option of menu at the bottom right. From here, you'll see the option of support at the top right corner of this page. Tap on it. Now over here under the support page, you'll see LG Service Portal. Tap on it. Now with that, you will be led to this page. If you scroll down below, you can see the category of Contact Us. In order to directly contact the customer support of LG ThinQ, simply tap on the option of Call Us. With that, you can see that you can chat with an LG customer care agent in real time during operational hours below. So you can see the operational hours given here, and if you scroll down below, you can also see the phone number mentioned as well. Now over here, you can also chat with LG customer support, or you can send an email to them as well. But if you want to instantly contact LG ThinQ customer support, the phone number is given here and you can make a call on the operational hours. So that's how simply you could contact LG ThinQ customer support. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.